See how she does on some cotton. Yeah, keep yourself nice and warm. You got this strapped down. You can see I cooked myself a steak. I cooked myself some eggs. You can keep some spices with you when you're out in the woods. She's hot, baby. She's hot. Look at that. Ooh, look out. That's nice. Got a nice 90-degree spine there. You've got this angle here, that's sharp 90-degree edges all the way around. So however you want to strike this, if you want to use that angle, if you want to use the back side, if you want to use this bottom side, it doesn't matter. It's going to work great. So first let me get some of this coating off this ferro rod here. This is a nice thick ferro rod. Look how thick that is. This is going to last you quite some time. See how she does on some cotton. Really well, really quick. If you have a Lord & Field Frontiersman knife, or if you want to buy one and you want to replace the ferro rod that comes with it, it will fit into your Lord & Field Frontiersman sheath quite nicely. Just an FYI. You can do a ton of things with the wool blanket. It's kind of like a giant bandana. You know, there's tons of uses for a bandana. There's tons of uses for a wool blanket. Number one, they're naturally fire retardant. They're naturally water resistant. They keep you warm. They're heavy. You know, if you like to have a heavy blanket, you can do that. You can wear it as a garment. You can make a shelter out of it. The snowpocalypse comes and you're stuck in traffic or you have a breakdown. This guy right here is going to help keep you warm, I promise you. If you're cooking brisket, you can wrap your brisket up in the wool blanket, let it rest for a couple hours. That thing's going to be delicious when you get done with it. I'm telling you, wool blankets are awesome. I mean, this thing's massive. You wear it as a garment. You know, keep yourself nice and warm. You can make a hammock out of these. You can make a chair out of these. I mean, all sorts of bushcraft uses for this. I put my name on everything. So if I can't find something and I see you got one and it's got my name on it, well, yeehaw, that's mine, give it back. We've got the Lord & Field blanket sleeping bag strap. You see right there, Lord & Field, genuine leather. So you just simply throw that over your sleeping bag or your bedroll. Kind of reminds me of back in the day when all the school kids would strap their books by a belt, their dad's leather belt. Maybe showing my age a little bit. I'm not that old, but I do remember seeing that. So there you go. So now you just grab your blanket. If you got this strapped down to the front of your motorcycle, here, you can take it off. You just grab it right there. Keeps everything right there in check. And there's plenty left over. So if you've got, you know, a big thick sleeping bag, this will still work. If you got a pillow, if you wrapping up 2 or 3 blankets, you know, you can put a pretty large blanket in there. Yeehaw. Really cool freaking grill right here. And man, you talking about cooking some good food. In the video I'm showing you clips of right now while I'm running my mouth. You can see I cooked myself a steak. I cooked myself some eggs and some sausage. And it worked freaking great. And it will hold some weight. You can see in the video, I got a cast iron pot skillet on there, and it's holding that just fine. Now this, you can hang a pot on, you can hang a water bottle on, you know, to make coffee. If you got a little roast or something that you can hang that from string down above your fire and spin it, and you can let it just sit there and rotate over your fire, whatever you want to do. A grill set that you can set up is packable. It's pretty lightweight. It is metal. I mean, it's real steel right here. You in camp, you got yourself a campfire going, you want to cook you some victuals, right? Very durable, very nice. Comes in the case. You can slip it into your backpack. It's freaking awesome. Great little kit right there from Lord & Field. This little doohickey right here is the Mama Jamma of spice wallets. Genuine leather with brass fixtures and snaps. Got a really nice brass clasp right here with a lanyard. This is actually a belt loop. You can just snap that off, put it on your belt, and you'll be the coolest looking rascal in the freaking woods. I'm gonna bust it open, and as you can see, we've got 4 corked vials right here so that you can keep some spices with you when you're out in the woods doing old bushcraft thing or just camping or whatever you want. I don't know about you, but I cannot stand eating bland food. I've got to have some spices with me. You can use this for something other than a spice wallet if you want to. You might could rig up some sort of fire kit out of it. You might could put some tinder in one, some fatwood shavings, fishing kit. If you got to keep medication on you, you maybe can put some different types of medications in there so you got medication on you. The sky's the limit.